What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today we're actually going to be heading to a Tuner Invade event. It's been a while since I've gone to any of their events, but this one is Skyline Saturday on International Drive. So we're gonna go check out some skylines. I know I've already seen a few R32s, 3s, and 4s there. I'm sure it's gonna be, and a 5 as well. I mean, technically we kind of got skylines too. Well, in Japan it's skyline. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and head on over and meet up with some of the homies. I'll kind of tell you what's going on when we get over there. But yeah, so also this happened. Not sure when it happened, but the cover popped off. So need to get another one before the lights blow out. But yeah, let's go ahead and do the cold start real quick and we'll head on over there. Alright, just parked. Didn't really get to park with the homies. They told me to just park here, so we here. It's crazy loud in here too. Let's see if we can find the homies' cars. Clean or not? So that's clean color too. Paint job, and then it's gonna be unstoppable. I think I see the homies' cars. Yep. Sheesh. But here we go. The squad. The homie hobby. They got some good spots too. Too bad I was so late. Alright, that's clean. That too. Get this. But here we go. Have to get this. Sheesh, 2 of them. Three of them. And I know, hey, they go to homie I wanted to talk to, but I missed them. The boxer squad. Well, some of the good cars are leaving, but That's clean. That color though. That one hurt. First time seeing one of these in person. That design. Yeah, I need me a S chassis. And a GTR. And another GTR. Getting in people's videos. Sheesh. I'm gonna take a picture of this one. Oh, you're good, you're good. Thank you. Got the Ultima over there. You're really just not It's always good running into homies. She clean. Well, seen her dad's car. Oh. Sheesh. And that looks familiar. Hey, we got Lenzo. Oh, speaking of, there he is right now. And this is clean. A snack plug. Them wheels. That's where it's at. Finally make it to the top. That's clean. Oh yeah, like always, let me know which is your favorite, if I got it. Haven't got everything, of course. Love that. That fully carbon R34 is my favorite. No, might be my favorite. Alright, so I parked up with him. We don't know whose car this is, but he matches the squad. The lineup. Alright, he's good for now. Alright, so this is after the meet, technically the meet, and it ended about 40 minutes ago. We just been here taking photos and chilling. But yeah, take a look at this lineup. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know which one is your favorite as well. What setup you like the most. I know everything's not a competition, but I'm just curious what the viewers like. Definitely let me know what you guys think. But you'll probably be seeing a lot more of these cars and some others here pretty soon. So definitely stay tuned for that. But I know I didn't do it in the last video. There was a lot going on in that video. I don't even think I did a proper ending in that video, but we'll go ahead and end this one. And we're gonna do a comment of the day, even though I didn't say it in the last time. So comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below, and who knows, you could be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.